What's up, party people? It's your boy Fantastic from Foods and Dudes. Listen, every year for Father's Day, there seems to be barbecuing going on. And guess who's behind the grill? This guy. Isn't it supposed to be barbecuing for this guy on Father's Day? All right, guys, here is the plan. I'm gonna make a great breakfast for my family, right? Using Silpat, this bundt cake form, looks great, gonna be great. I'm gonna eat breakfast with them, and then I'm out of here. I'm on the golf course. Where's my foursome right now? We out of here. Cigars, golf, don't call me today for the rest of the day, okay? We out. Let's go.
Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Oh, please don't take. I found my mind, I'm feeling sane. It's been a while, but I'm finding my faith. If everything is good and it's great, why do I sit and wait till it's gone?